Welcome to our latest tutorial. Today, we're diving into a nifty feature on WhatsApp Web that can seriously streamline your messaging game. We're talking about the Enter as Send function, and I'm going to show you how to enable it on your PC with the new update. Let's face it, we've all been in situations where we're typing away on WhatsApp Web, and we instinctively hit that Enter key to send our message only to realize it just created a new line instead. Well, those days are about to be over. First things first, open up WhatsApp Web on your PC. You should see your familiar chat interface pop up. Now, look to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a menu there, and what we're looking for is the Settings icon. It usually looks like a little gear or cog. Go ahead and give that a click. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a list of options. We're interested in the one labeled Chats. Click on that, and it'll take you to a new page with various chat-related settings. Now, here's where the magic happens. Scroll down a bit, and you should spot an option that says, Enter as Send. There's a toggle switch next to it. All you need to do is click that toggle to enable the feature. It's that simple. With Enter as Send activated, you can now fire off messages rapid-fire style. Just type your message and hit Enter. Boom! Message sent. No more reaching for that send button or accidentally creating new lines when you meant to send. This feature is a real time saver, especially if you're having fast-paced conversations, or if you're just used to the Enter key sending messages in other apps. It's all about making your WhatsApp web experience as smooth and efficient as possible. Remember, you can always turn this feature off if you find you prefer the old way. Just follow the same steps and toggle it off. WhatsApp is all about customization, so play around with it and see what works best for you. And there you have it. You're now a WhatsApp Web Pro. Happy chatting, everyone.